Hey guys, this is Donnie and you're watching Big Drone Flyer 77. Hey, when we come back, we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Syma Cheerwing. This is the X5sw. This is the V3, so stick around. Hey, welcome back guys. Hey, I'm so excited. Got another Syma X5 series. This is a SW-V3. So this is courtesy of Cheerwing, and I thank you guys so much. You can find them on Amazon and also on Facebook as well. So we're gonna jump right into this and see what we got in the box. My old X5 series, the X5C. I had, gosh, probably about 300-400 flights out of it before I believe the board or the ESC is finally went kaput. So it ended up only going about 6 or 7 feet, and then it just dropped. So I'm so excited to have another one of these guys. So let's go ahead and open this and see what we got in here. I'll try to make this quick as I can here because there's nothing too new about the Syma X5s. So of course Syma always has a great manual here, so that's always good to have. And you know, this being Wi-Fi version, you know, I'm probably not going to use the Wi-Fi, but I will probably hook it up just so you guys could see it. God, it's so nice to have one of these again. I sure missed mine. It's so nice to just throw it up there and fly. I noticed a difference already. It's got a battery bay little opener there instead of sliding the camera and pulling it down. I see it's got a bay door here, and it's already got a battery inside, so that's pretty cool. Let's see if it's still the same size as the original. Yeah, it sure is. It's still the 3.7 volt, and it's the 500 milliamp. So you know, that's okay. Looks like there's plenty of room. I got some bigger batteries, so I'll probably do that so I can at least get a 9 to 10 minute flight like I did with the original. So that's going to be pretty nice. And I noticed they changed the legs on these as well. Right now, here's the controller. Still looks like the same old controller. So, and it is manual. Ah, thank God. I love these things being manual. I don't like the altitude hold. These are just, for me, meant to just throw up and fly. I'm so excited. I really wanted to have another one again. So that is awesome. So we got the accessories are in the back. I'm not going to dig too much into it. You got the camera here. And you got the clip for the controller here. It just slides on here. And then you could just go and clip your phone in there, which is pretty nice. Looks like you got extra set of 4 propellers here. You definitely see the Wi-Fi antenna that sticks out here. I don't have much luck with these Wi-Fi cameras on these, but who's to say? This is a newer version. So here's the Wi-Fi camera. So definitely has a little bit longer antenna than I can remember on the older ones. So that looks like that just slides and clips right on there, which is pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty nice now. Looks like they gave you a little bit better tilt. It's not pointing so much at the ground now, so that makes it nice. And you know, like the old ones, you can go and adjust it. The way I did it was just undo the screws in the back, and I just dropped it down a little bit and put a little wedge in here, and it brought the camera up some more. So you know, there's all kinds of things to do. Let's do FPV this thing. Put your own camera on there. So I like doing that. That's what I did with the old one. Looks like we got some more. They really tape this up, which is good, so you don't lose anything. But looks like you got more accessories here. You got oh yeah, they did change it. They made it kind of like the X8. So they went and put the different landing gear here. So you got the old instead of like the old one where it's just kind of like a bar that goes across, this one actually has individual legs, which is pretty cool. That's not too bad. I'll probably go without them, you know, when I just fly. These ones I just love to fly. so I'll probably keep the camera off. But for those who never got to film or do anything, or this is your first quadcopter, you know, you can enjoy going and filming and doing stuff like that. I did when I first started out. I thought it was the coolest thing in the world. So, all right, and it just screws in right here once you're done. I noticed this camera here has a red tint to it. The old cameras, I never seen that before. You won't see it on the film to show you, but it does have a red tint over it, so that's interesting. So I don't know if that's going to help with the sun glare or not. So, but make sure you do screw these in. It does come with the screwdriver. It's got the big handle, just like that the X8s come with. So they did change the screwdriver, which is nice. And then you got your USB cable there for charging. So, but well, I'm just glad I got so many of these batteries for this thing. So I'm glad they didn't change that. I'm so glad that this you know, doesn't have any kind of different style battery in there. So now I got so many of them. So I'll have tons of flights with this, guys. So all right. So we're gonna go for a flight here in a minute. Looks like it's getting ready to rain. So you might see it out here, and or you might see it when it's sunny again. So stay tuned, guys. Hey, what's up, guys? Out here with the Syma x5sw. Be my first time having the Wi-Fi version. Downloaded the Syma app, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the quadcopter. I don't want the landing gear on. That's just me. You can have the landing gear on. I like to fly without it, and I actually fly without the camera, but I wanted you guys to see that. So let's bind this first. We're going to turn it on. We're going to go up, down, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to calibrate the gyros by pushing, let's push down in the bottom right hand corner. Okay. What it did is it flashed, and then it stopped flashing. Just letting it know that it's level. I had it on the grass in a level spot. So now what we're going to do is connect to Wi-Fi. So let me get on my Wi-Fi. There we go, FPV. We're connected. Okay, let's go into the app. Yes, we are. We have camera, guys. There is camera. Hopefully you guys can see that. Okay, and the only way to record is through your phone or your smart device or Apple. So I'm going to press record so you guys can see that. And now I'm going to launch from hand because that's what I like to do with these ones. Alright, buttons here. That's second rate, and then low rate. And they'll tell you it's in high rate. It's got an H right there. This will do 360 flips, and these are the trim buttons. And record right here should be, I believe this is record. If you had the manual one. So this is actually just recording from my phone, so you won't be using that. It'll just be trim buttons, guys. So I sure miss this thing. Yeah, still a good little quad, man. The battery's not going to be that well because I didn't let it charge. Yeah, it's still doing flips. Let's multi-flip it. There we go. Yeah, let's do a multi-flip again, guys. There we go. Nice. Bring it back over here a little bit. Yeah, it sure flies better than the old original because I pretty much wore it out. So definitely a good flyer, guys. These are always my favorite. So you're probably looking at about a 7-minute flight. 7-minute flight, having it recording. Without that, you could probably get about 8 minutes. I'm going to put a bigger battery, so you know I can at least get 10 minutes.
Battery's dead, guys. Didn't get very long because I didn't charge it. I just flew it straight out of the box. So, you know, like I said, expect about, 5, maybe 6 minutes running the camera, having the landing gear, but I kept that off. So, keep the camera off. You could probably get about 8 minutes out of it. So I'm going to put a bigger milliamp battery in there. I have probably about, I think I got a 900 and a 850. Last time with the old stock Syma x5c, I got about 10 minutes out of it or more. I have a video on that, so you guys can take a look at that link. So, alright guys, hey, it's the Syma x5sw, and this is courtesy of Cheerwing, and I sure thank you guys for sending this to me. I really enjoy this quadcopter, and like always guys, God bless, cheers, and happy flying.